Saturn, what's going on?
Remember I told you guys I would bring an old friend back to our base? Well, here he is.
Hello everyone, I'm Python.
Python? Is it because you like snakes?
Well, I do have a pet python, but yeah, basically.
Well, I'm Billy, and you can just bug off face with look of triumph.
Billy's Aviation Be Nice.
Yes, Ma-am. Sorry, Ma-am.
Anyway, Python is here to help us following the passing of Toronto.
Python, how long has it been since you started flying?
10 years ago.
Dog. Are you kidding me?
Nope, it's really been 10 years since I last flew a plane.
Wow, you must be old face with tears of joy.
Dilly.
Fine. An easy face.
Billy, stop being rude.
He can't fly our planes, he looks like he's slow.
Oh, you're faker than Logan Paul's Pokemon cards.
Oh my God!
Dang.
Don't mess with me.
Oh, I'm Monster Jam RC by the way, Python. Let's take you to our planes.
Get in, Python.
Okay, ladies first though.
Here it is, our Ms. 26.
Wow, the wing configuration and the engines are at the back.
Think you can fly it, old boy?
Absolutely. You won't regret this decision at all.